I do not want to blame other diseases, but there are so many of them which cannot be even diagnosed and which cannot be cured by the medical science, which we must accept first of all. That is the situation. We may go on trying, doing anything, but we cannot cure. So many types of medicines will come out, we cannot cure. Because what I am trying to tell you, that's only half part of your being is discussed. In that also, so many things are not there. Take it for example, asthma. Asthma cannot be cured by doctors, it's a fact. But Sahaja Yoga can absolutely cure asthma. Allergies also can be cured by asthma. Because if you have the roots of all the troubles, if you know about the roots, not pharmaceutical and all that, but real roots, then you can handle the situation and you can cure. You haven't got any yet a college or anything so far in surgery. I wish we could. But hospital we have. We have a hospital in Belapur, they call it, New Bombay, where they are treating people. Only they have to pay for their stay. And it's hardly, I think, 300 rupees per day for poor people. But you don't need any medicine. You don't have to pay for anything. For our country, which is so poor, don't you think it's very important? Otherwise, you go for X-ray, then you go for another test, then for another test, and nothing comes out of it. One should only know how to deal with it. Now supposing somebody's leg is broken, finished. Cut his leg, put another leg, no need. I assure you there is no need. Now we have some doctors in Sahaja Yoga, very good. Some of them are in America, some of them are in Italy, and some of them are in Russia. Russian doctors are very good. I don't know how they think that there is something beyond this education, and they are trying to learn it. If you can make any facility, I'll be very happy. But in any case, I'm thinking of starting a Sahaja Yoga hospital in your country, especially in Delhi, in the Greater Noida. And if some of your doctors can join us, they can help us a lot. In Greater Noida, I'm thinking of starting a college, or we'll call it a school, where we'll get the students as well as doctors who can cure people. And there will be no charges for treatment. Of course, when they stay, if they come and stay there, then they might have to pay for their food, that's all. Otherwise, this is an arrangement I'm having. And anybody who wants to join as a doctor also would like to accept their services. How much will be the pay, I don't know, but not much. I would say we'll pay about 6,000 to 7,000 per month to a doctor. But he has to be a surgeon, and he should know the method of surgery. I think it is one of the very generous feelings that in our country so many die because they cannot get into the hospital, they cannot get treated. If you can give some time to this project of mine, I am sure I'll be able to organize a good hospital for those people. In that we'll have somatic patients as well as psychosomatic patients. All kinds of patients we'll have. And you will learn so much. because it's a very subtle and deep knowledge. It cannot learn it on the book. You have to have experiment with the patient. I will be amazed how you will be curing people. It's not a book knowledge. It's a very, very practical knowledge. And those who have that charitable temperament can do very well and learn a lot. One thing I must tell you, Sahaja Yoga has one bad point also. That you cannot make money out of Sahaja Yoga. You cannot. If you try making money out of it, you fail. Some or other, this money business is a little higher for Sahaja Yoga. They cannot manage it. But you can give service. Now we had a very nice retired doctor in this Belapur hospital, and he did very well. Now he is no more. He worked very hard. But his daughter-in-law is now looking after that. If you want, if you are retired people, if you are not in need of money, much money, then it's a very good thing. Also we provide residence, food, everything. It can be managed. It's not so difficult. But it's not a very money-oriented thing. I must say, since I was studying medical, now medical line has become very money-oriented. I'm surprised. I'm sorry to say, but they have become very money-oriented. And some of your doctors have gone to America and have befooled people so much and have made so much money that you feel ashamed to be an Indian. It's like that. You can't make much money, but as retired people you can join us and help us. And some of you can come to learn Sahaja Yoga. Hardly within, say, a month's time you will be experts. You can diagnose the thing without any delay. You don't have to go to any laboratory or anything. Immediately you will know what the trouble is. And all sorts of incurable diseases you can try. I am amazed myself as to how it is working with people. Now all these awards and all that they have given me because I have cured people and done that. But I don't have a hospital there. First hospital I want to have in Delhi. And here I want to work it out. Let us think of working it out ourselves. It's a charitable hospital and it's very sensible. I've already got money to build that. But only thing need some doctors who can help me. It's a very stunning thing. Sahaja Yoga, if you will come, you'll be amazed how it works. I know. We have never been that. We have never been connected to the divine. We have never used the forces of the divine. And once you start using those forces, you will be amazed at yourself. It is said that you should find out who you are. That's not possible unless and until you have your self-realization. Today in our country we need self-realized people. All kinds of problems can be solved. Every type of, I should say, quarreling going on. Because you become a collective person. You become a personality for a collective nature. No more fighting, no more is needed. I have many Muslim countries who have got realization. Turkey, this Benin, this another one called as Ivory Coast. There are 7 countries that side. They are all Muslims converted, you can say, transformed into Sahaja Yoga. It is all the integration of all the religious stages. Understanding of the human abilities, human personality and respect. I mean, it's a very different atmosphere into which you do. It's a very different level of awareness, as you were saying, where You become so peaceful, silent, yet so sweet. So I don't know in this short lecture how much can I tell you about Sahaja Yoga, but it is a very miraculous thing. And please try to get your self-realization. He has asked me, I think I'll try if I can do that. There's one small thing, you have to take out your shoes. In England, first time I asked them to take out your shoes, they walked off. English can't live without their shoes right now. Please take out your shoes. Those who don't want to have can leave. There's no force on anyone. First of all, have faith in yourself. That you can get self-realization. Please put both the feet on the ground. Can you put both the hands towards me like this? And now please close your eyes, please. You know a lot about Kundalini, but now you will find out what she is. Please put right hand on top of your fontanelle bone area, which was a soft bone in your childhood. Please. Not touching the head, away from the head. Now, please put your left hand on top of your head. Again the right hand. Now see if there's a cool breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area. Could be hot also. Just see if there is cool breeze. It could be hot, as I told you, doesn't matter. Now try with the left hand, right hand towards me. If there's a cool breeze coming out of, please put down your head. Yeah. There are some left-sided people, I must tell you. There are some. But you'll find out very soon. Now, please open your eyes. Again put the hands towards me, please. That is. Now in your hands you'll feel the cool breeze. Or maybe the hot. Both the hands. सारे डॉक्टरों के पार. They are saints or what? So many have got realization. May God bless you all. May God bless. We have some books, I hope, of Sahaja Yoga. You all can take and see for yourself. And master this art. It's very good and very simple and very much necessary in modern times. As I told you, for diagnosis you don't have to do anything. You just will know on your fingertips what chakras are catching. Also you know how to cure them. Very simple it is, very simple. May God bless you.